here's a beauty and one you're definitely not going to see every day. Just in it unique, especially in classics. It's a 1957 Chevrolet 210 sport sedan, or four-door hardtop, fuel-injected car. Air correct, 283 fuel-injected V8 underneath the hood, FJ suffix code. The transmission that is paired up with that is a Power Glide. This originally would have came with a Turbo Glide. The original owner had the Turbo Glide replaced with the Power Glide. There's been conversation with the previous owner of this car and the original owner back to when it was ordered brand new at the hometown dealership. Came to us out of a very high-end collection that was just distributed to a few different people, and this is one that we'd purchased, and it shows as well in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. It's a one-stage black onyx paint, original color of this car, and just take a look at that chrome and bright work up front. It's a frame-off restoration that was recently done. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. One of 10 Chevrolet 210 sport sedans produced with fuel injection. It is a VB VIN, so it's a 210, not a Bel Air, and that is the way it looks to this day. And you can see how straight those body panels are. You know, if you get any poor workmanship with the black paint, it is going to show. And then just look at the bright work. Of course, black Steelies with the wheel covers. It also has the Air Correct Cars reproduction, charcoal and ivory interior. We'll get around to the driver's side. We're going to start this up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may also qualify for an extended warranty protection plan. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And look at the chrome and the bright work in the rear of this car. And again, the reflection in the paint, I mean, it literally looks like it's wet. This vehicle does come with the correct 997 heads, correct deep groove pulleys, the original 906 distributors on it, long screw fuel pump, fuel filter, all been rebuilt. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube, 507-386-1726, as we take a look from the rear to the front, and again, the reflection on the driver's side. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Does not really show any wear whatsoever. It's like brand new in here. Door panels, new carpeting also during restoration. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see underneath the floor mats, but since I'm going to be getting in and out a little bit, put those back in so you'll be able to see the carpeting like new underneath there. And again, just very little, if any, wear on the seats. Headliner, great condition. All right, I do have, let's see, I think I have the battery connected. There's a disconnect on the battery. Let's double check here. I may have to connect that battery connection. Nope, we're good. I just reconnect it. Fuel injected, fires right up. Of course, very stock looking interior, the way it would have been produced back in 1957. Let's listen to this. Good sounding car. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's get this hood open and we'll check out this engine bay, see how it looks. So give me a second, let me get the hood open. Let's check it out. Take a look at the underside of the hood. Wanted to mention too, I forgot to while I was in the car, windshield wipers work, blower fan works. I did not have the radio working, and there it is. Fuel injected, 283, era correct, FJ, suffix code, again battery disconnect. And check it out, all in the still pictures. I got every angle around the car. Of course, the engine bay, the trunk, the undersides. Absolutely stunning example of a 1957 Chevrolet 210 sports sedan, fuel injected 283 car originally. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service protection plan. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1957 Chevrolet 210. This is a Fuelie, which means it's fuel injected, which in 1957 was not all that common. And even less common on a 210, which has 4 doors. This is beautiful condition. Black, all the chrome looks good. Our turn signals are working. You can tell in the throttle response, fuel injection is just a little more crisp. Then we're doing 55 miles an hour. Letting go of the wheel, she stays straight in the lane. There's a little bit of play in the steering. Not enough to annoy at all, just a little bit. Our fuel gauge appears to be working at just under half. Coolant temperature is showing at almost a quarter of the gauge. Our windshield wipers do work. It's a nice highway ride, very good smooth suspension. Automatic on the column, just put it in drive and go. It's nice and easy. The interior is in great shape. Headliner looks really nice. Taking the corner as you would expect for a 57 Chevy. I already got a couple looks and nods from people on the road today in this car. Very eye-catching. Check out this 1957 Chevrolet Fuelie at uniqueclassiccars.com.